No, you're good. I'm not going to worry about littering. Put your feet together just like I'm doing and your arms down by your side. Perfect. Stand just like that. Do you see the tip of this pin right here?
Yeah.
All I need you to do is follow the tip of this pin with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. You see the pin okay? You're kind of looking down there a little bit.
As he continues this, we got to go back to Daytona Beach because Lieutenant Hampton and Sergeant Booth are actively looking for a vehicle that fled from them. We heard last we were there that they were talking about putting down spike strips to try to blow out the tires.
Just went southbound. I think it's cold side. Sorry, southbound on the Catherine.
Alright, spread out. I'm going to set up a box and call it out.
604 at a stop sign at 8th and Catherine. I don't have the item.
Alright, 7-4 to what?
Alright, I think I saw him running southbound somewhere, guys. On the sidewalk right there. On the sidewalk, I saw him running southbound too. Southbound.
Alright, we got a bill out with the vehicle.
Yes, sir, we're here.
Okay, now where you at?
Driver's seat down. Driver's seat.
Oh, sorry. Where's the car? All right.
Take it out. Take it out.
Hey, let's get back for those people. ASAP.
My word. Left, right, right, left. Oh